What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Verasity and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure you join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted. Links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're just taking a look at Verasity here, and as you can see, things have been going very well indeed, haven't they? You can see quite clearly here that we have been consolidating nicely. Essentially, over the past few weeks, you know, Veracity's been on an absolute tear, hasn't it? I mean, it came all the way down to, what is this? A fourth of a percent? 0.75% here, and we've come all the way up to 4 cents before having a little pullback. Absolutely crazy gains. This is essentially, what is this? Over a 4x in a month, even to the current price. Looking at, you know, about a 4x in going up terms, which is absolutely insane, isn't it? Really crazy gains. And it's pretty clear to us that, you know, you zoom out a bit and you can see Veracity's been on an absolute tear, isn't it? We've got this basic trend line here, but really you can't really put a trend on this parabolic growth that we have seen. But you can see quite clearly it's done very well. If we just zoom in here on our daily time frame, you can see what's going on. We've come all the way back up to around 4 cents after coming down well below 1 cent here, which is absolutely crazy. But essentially what happened was, just like most cryptocurrencies, as we always say, we basically come down here, we form our range. We come down, we form the bottom of our range here, we come back up, we retest the top of the range. That previous support flipped into resistance here. And then obviously when we're stuck under the EMAs, because they have flipped bearish here in this instance on around, you know, just before we had the big crash in May. We essentially come down here, come back up, we touch the 55 and this resistance line, we get rejected, we come down below the 20, we're stuck under the 20, all the way down back to the bottom of the range here. Everyone's thinking, okay, this is the bear market, Bitcoin goes below 30k, we have the fake out to the downside of the range. Still stuck under that resistance, by the way, that resistance line looking something like this. Everyone's saying that we're properly screwed, basically. We're going down, everyone starts shorting the bottom, and then before you know it, we get a nice pickup back inside the range, retest it as support, we break the 20, we consolidate between the 20 and the 50, really bullish. And then obviously since then we haven't looked back really. We pumped up again, consolidated again really nicely, and then we've had another big pump up. And now we've broken out of the range, we've come back down, we're testing it as support pretty much along with the 20. And you know, we're consolidating and going sideways again, which is really bullish to see, isn't it? Because Verasity, it looks as though it's been absolutely killing it, hasn't it, in reality? I've just undone my range box for like the 50th time. I always do that, but you can see it's absolutely killing it, isn't it? It's pretty much reversed like off the bottom like an absolute beast, and it's almost back up to all-time highs in reality. Like we're only one resistance break away from that next level at 5.5 cents, which is the all-time high. So Verasity looking really strong, really bullish. You can see obviously the big descending wedge for most cryptos, our big downtrend, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, and then we reverse the trend. We come up, we make a high, higher low, high. I mean, you could say arguably this is just a one big higher high, and we need to see that retracement really to properly test support for that higher low. But it's obvious that Verasity is showing a lot of strength, isn't it? It's pumped all the way back up to 4 cents here, up to this resistance that we literally outlined months ago, and here to the exact, pretty much the exact millicent, by the way, before coming back down and trying to find support. And it's come back down roughly to, you know, roughly you would say to touch that previous range high resistance, which was support before. You can see here support flipped into resistance and then back into support here. Really interesting to see, and also very bullish that we're flipping that back into support. And you can see, you know, we're still holding the 20 moving average really nicely, aren't we? A lot of cryptos have actually come back down and tested the 20 in the past few days. Some of them have actually lost the 20 somewhat. but not Verasity, obviously. It's absolutely in a big uptrend here on the daily time frame, isn't it? On a huge tear. It's not even come back down and touched the 20 moving average yet as support, which just shows really how much strength that it is actually showing. And I really like the way that it's moving up, because it moves up, it consolidates, makes a nice level of structure and support. It moves up, it consolidates, makes a nice level of structure and support. It's moved up again, and now it's consolidating above that previous resistance as support. Again, really bullish, and it's nice to see it consolidating and not just going up in a straight line like some cryptos are doing, because obviously that obviously opens you up to the potential of a massive downside swing, because you're not making a lot of support, are you? But it looks as though for Verasity, we are making really nice levels of support here. We've got a good level of structure here, here, and now here as well. So if we did start to roll over, we've got strong levels to fall back on, haven't we? This level at around 2.5 cents, very strong support. But we do think that previous resistance flipped into support at around 2.5 cents is very strong. If we did see the market rolling over and coming back down and trying to find some support, obviously the 20 will be our support until it breaks, our main level of support. But this little mini range that we have formed here, obviously that previous range high resistance flipped into support is the new support of this smaller range here. And you can see now that the 20 is the support, but if we lost that, we've obviously got this previous range high resistance flipped into support as our next level of support, haven't we, at around 2.5 cents, and then the 55's coming up all the time like that as well. We would say this would be a very strong levels of support if they coincided. So now that we've ascertained what's going on, we can look at some short-term price predictions. As we said, we have got this new little range that we formed here. If we do start to roll over, we've got the 20 that we need to test to support first. If we lose that, we've got this basically the bottom of this new range we formed at around 2.5 cents. That'll also coincide nicely with the 55 coming up over the next week or so, doing something like this. This would be a very strong level of support in our opinion. And if we did roll over even more than that, we've obviously got very strong levels of structure at around 2 cents as well. But as we said, if we do start seeing a pump, and it does look as though Ethereum is moving up, which means the altcoins will most likely move up as well. If we do see ourselves coming up to the top of this range again at around 4 cents and breaking out, we really don't have much resistance. We've got around 4.5 cents here, but after that, the next resistance is 5.5 cents, which is the all-time high. And then once we break that, like the sky's the limit, really, isn't it? In terms of price targets. Because if we take a look at the Fib retracement here, the final leg up of the bull run, we'd pull it from the top of that previous move to the bottom of this move. Make sure this is fully lined up. You can see that we're realistically looking at some very nice Fib targets. Obviously, you can tell here we absolutely smashed Fib targets out of the water completely. All these Fib targets will have been, as you can see, absolutely annihilated by the sheer crazy parabolic move that Verasity had in terms of its growth. And you can see here, it's quite likely that Verasity is going to do very well if we do see some of these Fib targets play out. I mean, if it blasted through all of these, it's going to be absolutely insane. But we do think realistically, when we look at these targets, you can see they've been respected. By the way, these levels have been respected so well on the way down here. You can see up and down, all these levels respected nicely. And if we do break out of here, obviously the all-time high is the next level. And then after that, the next level will be around that 10-cent level at 127. And we do think it's possible for Verasity to get to 50 cents, maybe even $1, depending on the pump that we get for it, because its market cap is so low. So obviously that 10-cent there, that 20-cent level as well, coinciding with the 161, very strong levels of Fibonacci and psychological resistance. And then coming up into that 50 cents to $1 region, you could say, our 227 here is at 75 cents with an overextension potentially of $1. So update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with Pure VPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to blocked content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.